Hello everyone. My name is Andrew and today I'm going to tell you about Serverspace. Serverspace is an international cloud provider focused on making cloud management as simple as possible. Most of our services, including servers, CDN, Kubernetes, and more, can be set up in just a few clicks, all from a single window. Let me show you how. After registering an account on Serverspace, you'll instantly get access to an intuitive control panel with everything you need to manage your cloud. Just click Create Server, choose your operating system, and select the data center where you want to deploy your infrastructure. Configure the amount of CPU and RAM, disk size, and bandwidth. For most operations, 50 megabits per second is enough, but you can set it higher if needed. Choose your authentication method. In my case, it's an already configured SSH key. Then pick one of the applications that will be ready to use on your server as soon as it's created. Let's name this server Test and click the Order button. That's it. Now wait for the server creation to finish. Creating the server on Debian took literally only 10 seconds. Once your server is up and running, you have full flexibility to manage and configure it. For example, with just a couple of clicks, you can change your configuration by adding CPU, RAM, or SSD as needed. Moreover, you can track your server's finances in full detail. For example, you can view billing statistics and much more. Since we're talking about finances, it's also very easy to manage them right from the control panel. In the Finances tab, you can top up your balance and view detailed information about your Serverspace service expenses. PayPal or your bank card both are available for refilling your balance. Click Refill Balance in the control panel and select the amount. It's that easy, all in just a few clicks. At Serverspace, you only pay for what you use. We follow a pay-as-you-go billing model that updates every 10 minutes. This means if you create a server and use it for 10 minutes, you'll only be charged for those 10 minutes with no extra fees. In addition to tracking infrastructure costs, the Serverspace control panel also lets you easily monitor your earnings if you take part in our referral program. By going to the Partners tab, you can find your personal referral link. Every user who registers using your link will automatically become your referral, and you will start earning from their payments. Earnings from the partner program can be withdrawn to your account as credits, which you can use to pay for Serverspace services just like regular money. You earn a 10% commission on every purchase made by a referred user during their first year, and 5% afterward, for as long as they remain an active paying customer. This way you can order VPS servers, deploy containers on Kubernetes, set up DNS and CDN, integrate artificial intelligence into your workflows, and much more. To learn more about these services, browse our knowledge base for step-by-step guides and helpful resources, or get in touch with our support team. They will respond to you within minutes. We're available 24/7 and always here to help you solve your problem. Start your cloud migration today. We're with you every step of the way. See you next time.